Okay, in this tutorial we're going to show you how to use the JEvents calendar tool for the FC Peoria website. The first thing you have to do is you have to log in under your username and password. So I'm going to go to log in. I'm going to type in my credentials. There we go. And I'm going to log in. That should take me back to the home page. Yeah, okay. Now I'm going to go to the calendar page. Okay. As you can see, we have a monthly view here. So if you look at it, when I hover over any date, in the upper right-hand corner, you see a plus sign. Okay. That means that you have the ability to add an event to that day. So let's take the 14th, for example. So I'm going to add an event to this day. So I'm just going to click the plus sign. And I'm going to give the event a title, which is where the subject is right here. So let's say I want to name it test event for 14th. Okay, something simple. Okay, event creator, leave it as is. Category, there's tons of categories that you can put it on, like, you know, per team or for the registration calendar or indoor big field and whatnot. So I'm just going to put this for, let's put it for the SC Peoria big field. Okay, you can add, you know, event description, you know, if you want. I'm going to go grab, because I'm too lazy to type text. Just so you guys get the idea of what happens with the event description. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, there we go. So we got some text now. You can add a location if you want, FC Peoria. You can kind of contact. You can add extra info if you need it. But once this is done, you need to go to the calendar tab up here. Okay. Now there's several choices. First off, you have the choice of doing an all-day event. Okay, so let's say it's like a tournament or something, or I don't know, you know, something that's going on all day for several days or something. You can click this and you can see how it removes my option to add time to the event. Here, I can't add time. So, but I'm going to add time to it because I want to show you guys this in the tutorial. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to choose a date. And obviously I want the 14th. It already puts the 14th in there because I said I wanted it on the 14th. So we're going to do it from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. It has it set to the default hours of the day for people to work. You can add no specific end time if you want, so it just goes that day for that time, so there's no real end time. You can even make it repeat, you know, if you want to make it repeat daily. And then you can do several options like repeat interval, so every 1 day, or this number of repeats if you want it to repeat 129 times only, or whatnot, or if you want it to repeat until a certain date, you know, you can do that as well. And that goes for each of these, so it's very, very simple to use. I'm going to choose no repeat because I don't want to add 1,000 events to this calendar. So once that's done, all you do is go up here and hit save and watch the magic work. There we go. We have an event there. I'm going to go back to the calendar tab, and boom, there we go. We have a test event for the 14th. So let's say you've added an event and you want to edit it, okay, and you have the proper permissions. So let's take Mid-America Cup 2010 over here. I'm going to go click on, all you do is click on the event, okay, and if you have the permissions to edit an event, you go in the upper right hand corner up here, you see a little, you should have a little pencil at this place. Okay, that means you have the permissions to edit it. So I'm going to click that, and then it brings up kind of a sub menu. I'm going to click edit event. Okay, and as you see, it brings you back to the same menu, and you just change the info as needed. So that's pretty simple. And once you're done with that, you click save, and boom, the event is saved, and you know, you can see it. So this is a quick tutorial showing you how to use the calendar event tool for the FC Peoria website.